Yo, what's up everybody, it's Senpai, and today we're gonna do an unboxing for the Beyblade Metal Fusion Wii Edition Counter Leone exclusive. This is the box here. As you can see, there is the Hasbro, the original Nintendo seal of quality. Here we are, let's begin. I don't want to hurt the box. Try my best not to damage it. Okay, here we go, here we are. I'm super excited. So I don't know where the okay, from here I think. Oh no, okay. Here we go. Oh my god. Empty box. There is the contents right here. So beautiful. Tell me if you want me to unbox this. And there it is, the Counter Leone exclusive edition, Wii edition. This is how it looks. There it is, the metal face. Beautiful. There is the transparent clear wheel, and this is the beautiful counter wheel. It has code on it too, and we have right here the D125 track, the same track on Race Striker. And here we have the ball tip. So beautiful. And we have the tool, transparent too. Beautiful, beautiful. So guys, let's make it on together. We'll back. And here we have it. Counter Leone G125 ball. Spicy. Let's put the stickers on. Here it is. Stickers on all together. I love the different style of the facepull sticker for Leone. Let's try and spin it. Now let's do battles against some bays. But first, let me change the wheel. So here we go. I've changed the wheel to the regular counter wheel because I don't want to ruin the minty wheel. I want to keep it like that. So here we go. We will begin with the Grand Series. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Easy win for Counter Leone. Next up we got Burn Phoenix. Good shoot. 3, 2, 1. Good shoot. Burn Phoenix is the winner. We will now be trying another counter wheel Bay counter Scorpio. Here we go. One goes. It was a close battle, but the winner is Counter Leone. Now for the final battle, Cyclone Herculeo versus Counter Leone. Cyclone Herculeo. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video, the unboxing, and see you next time.